Hi there, welcome back in Cool IT Help. Today we are going to learn about 4 useful and surprising settings in developer options. So let's begin. Now the first setting is make your mobile screen black and white. Tap on settings and scroll down, and here tap on developer options. And now here we have to find out simulate color space. Tap on it. Under the heading of simulate color space, tap on monochromacy. We can choose from here different types of color settings. Go back and check for black and white screen. It looks great. Friends, it's funny and surprising too. Before move on to next setting, let me set default color screen. Go to developer options and tap on simulate color space, and here tap on disabled. And now mobile screen is colored. For next setting, tap on settings, tap on developer options, and here tap on running services. And here you can see how much RAM is using by Android apps. And now move on to next setting. Tap on settings and tap on developer options. Under the developer options, we have to find out these 3 settings. By default, these 3 settings are set to 1x, but I am going to set to 0.5x in these 3 settings. This will definitely make Android faster. And now let's check how Android became faster. Guys, it is working. It really works. These are very useful settings for Android phone. And now move on to 4th setting. Tap on settings. Tap on developer options. Under the developer options, we have to find out show tabs. I have already enabled this option. As you can see, toggle button is on. Guys, this will show finger tap on your screen. A small white color dot will appear when you touch your Android screen. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching.